lain. Hindi makita, nagapadilusos kami. Ang boat na lang nanon eh.
High of -7 will wind chill much colder, and then the next storm starts moving in. We'll see about 5 centimeters.
Nara naman next storm ko no.
As winter begins at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Na Sunday.
7:04 actually. We'll see 10 to 15.
Oh my gosh, hindi kita kasi baga.
With a high of -1. Monday is
Sa pado na lang tama simba.
occasionally heavy, lots of blowing and drifting. A high of -7. Then Tuesday a sun cloud mix and up to -4. Watch out for another 10 centimeters on Christmas Eve.
Grabe ka, Joe. Na, Christmas Eve, may ara naman kami snow.
Right now the wind makes it feel like -20. It's actually -10.
Pila ini kakuan ging ka inches? Di 17 centimeters, pila na. Mga 20 kuno eh. Ban gani labot sa 50 cent. Wala 0-0, ganyan visibility. Hindi ko makita. Iyawo. Ala, Diyos ko, Diyos ko, Diyos ko.
Recapping our top story, delays and cancellations at Pearson. Many roads described as treacherous. No service on the Lakeshore Line scaled
Kita ko
back.
ni. Ay, kung ako hindi kita kuya mag-drive ya.
At 2:30 and immediately at 680news.com.
680 News and the Fan 590, official radio
Okay.
station of the Vancouver